Yeah, you revealed it.
Oh, I'm yawning? Yo, Van City Bob, I see you, man. How you doing? All right. Okay. Let's get started. All right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live session. You guys know what it is. We're live here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys exactly how I'm making $1,000 to $5,000 a day at least. And guess what? We've already done about $1,000 so far. Actually, $1,130 so far that we've already hit take profit on. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some more trades. I'm going to be answering everybody's questions when it comes to trading and being able to actually understand what it even is. What is trading? Is trading a scam? Does trading even work? Can you do trading full time? All of these questions that I know that a lot of you guys are asking, I'm going to be answering all of these questions here, okay? So welcome. Let's get started. And for anyone who wants to actually get started and know and understand how it works, all you have to do is just go to my website, akpwc.com, and then just follow the steps there. All right, so let's get started right here. Let me see if there's any trade that we can take right here. So you guys see the super trend is green, guys. The super trend is green, which means we're only looking for buy trades, right? So we're only looking for buy trades because the super trend is green. Now, how will we actually be entering the trade? So what I'm going to be looking at are the range bars. So let me go ahead and look at the range bars right now. And if the range bars are going green, that's when I'm looking for a buy trade. So you see right here, the range bars are red. And there we go. They're starting to go green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a small trade of $1,000 here. Okay, as long as, okay, we've already started to push up a little bit. I'll wait till the price comes down a little bit. And then I'm going to be doing right here. Flexi is asking, yo, big man, how'd you learn starting off YouTube? No, so actually, the way that I learned how to trade was by testing thousands of strategies on my own. Nothing that you learn off YouTube will ever actually make you money. This is the only thing that I've ever found that actually makes money, and it's because we tested all of these strategies and all these, we tested thousands and thousands of strategies. This is the only thing that I found that actually works over time. And I'm going to be giving you, guys, the one thing you have to realize is that I give you my entire trading system, my entire trading strategy, exactly how I make thousands of dollars a day, and you don't have to pay me anything because I make thousands of dollars a day. You don't have to pay me. Just come here and learn completely for free. All right, guys, remember, everything here will be completely for free. You don't have to pay. Okay? Now, how do you actually get started? So the one thing that you have to realize, Nasway is saying after being down almost 30% last 2 days, NVO for the next year. Okay, so here's the one thing that you have to understand. Being down 30% in a day is way too much. That means you're risking too much. It means you have not enough capital in the account for you to be doing the trades that you're doing. And yes, exactly. I'm also surprised. Why is it always yellow? It's the first one that I pulled out. Now, let's see if we can actually... Lod is saying, please, we need it badly. What up, Lod? Thank you for the gift. Now, let's see if we can actually take a trade here, okay? So, what am I looking for? So, remember, the super trend is green, so we're looking for a buy trade. And right here, the range bars, you can see, they're flashing green right here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and enter this buy trade here, okay? Just so you guys understand, I'm going to go ahead, enter this buy trade right there. So there's our buy trade. And now, yo, thank you for the gift, HSM. Now, what am I going to do? Right away, I'm going to set my stop loss and my take profit, okay? Now, I'm going to set it at less than 1% risk. So basically, right here, how do I set my stop loss? Very simple. I'm just going to click and drag my entry down. Okay, I'm just going to click and drag my entry down. So you can see right here, click and drag it down. You guys see where it says negative 1,000? That's my stop loss. Okay, now I'm going to let go. There you go. There is my stop loss. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to click and drag it up to set my take profit. Okay, how am I going to do that? Very simply, And you guys can see right here, we're already, guys, congratulations to everybody who's following along. We're already at $500 in profit. So depending on your entry, you might have already hit take profit. Luke is saying, what app are you using? So we're using Abato, ABBADO.com. And yes, Shah is asking, is Abato certified and safe? Yes, they're licensed and regulated in multiple countries. Now, the next thing, now we've set our stop loss, the next step is to set our take profit. All right. So how do we set our take profit? So very simply, again, I'm just going to click and drag our entry up to $1,000. Why am I doing $1,000? Because remember, the lot size is 10. And guys, look at this. We're already at a profit of $940, over $1,000 in profit. There we go, guys. I'm going to close that trade. Congratulations. We just made another $1,000. Guys, this is exactly how the banks move hundreds of millions of dollars, make billions and billions of dollars, just like this. Okay, so we have someone here at the office. They also just made $100. Congratulations, and congratulations to all of you guys. Punjabi is asking, what do you do? So basically, I just come here, I trade live, I show you guys, I answer every question, and I give you guys my entire trading system and strategy, and you never have to pay. You don't have to pay, and actually, in fact, you should never have to pay when it comes to learning how to trade, and why do I say that? Sure. Okay. The reason I say that we should never ever pay anyone to learn how to trade is because if you're paying them, that's how they're making money. They're not making money from the market. So stop paying people to learn how to trade. All right. Who's getting the M&M? Who's getting this M&M? It's actually just melting on my fingers right now. All right. Oh my God. Yo, the M&M is gone. Damn. That yellow M&M. It was just never meant to be, bro. It was just never meant to be. All right, so that did not work out. All right, so basically, we just made $1,000 in front of your face. Unfortunately, I took an L on this M&M because it fell. And let's see if we can make another $1,000. For anyone who wants to get started, guys, don't waste time. Just go to my website right now, akapwc.com. It's right there. Rand is saying, that's crazy. I'm eating M&Ms too. What are the chances? Go right now. What site do you use? Just go to my website, akapwc.com. The link is in my bio. Get your account set up, get it funded, verify right away, and then every single day I come live here and then I do all of my trades live. Let's see if we can do another trade, okay? By the way, for anyone who wants to know how to get started, once you go to the classroom right here on school, which is step 3, right here, step 3, watch setup videos, join our school, navigate to classroom, and watch all training videos. Once you're there, guys, right here, how to deposit, how to verify your account, everything is right there. Then how to, for example, look, how to open a buy trade, how to open a sell trade, how to open a pending order, how to check your trade history, how to open a chart, how to install the super trend, how to use the range bars. Everything is right here, step by step, okay, step by step on how I make thousands of dollars a day. Let's see if we can take another trade here, okay, let's see if we can make another 1,000. And guys, by the way, if we hit take profit on this next trade, I'm gonna give you guys the profit. Okay, are you guys ready? Giveaway, $1,000 giveaway right here. Okay, so let's see. Right here, okay, let's see what's happening on the range bars. All right, so the range bars are going green and the super trend is green. I'm gonna enter this buy trade right here. So just entered a buy trade right here on BTC. Now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna set my stop loss and I'm gonna set my take profit. So very simply, I just click and drag this down. And I'm gonna set it to about $1,000. And then I'm going to click and drag it up right here to about $1,000 as well. Okay, so there's another $1,000 trade. And let's see what happens with this. Let's go, let's go. Apple Moses is saying, let's go. Gilman is saying, good luck. All right, guys. Hazen is saying, how much money minimum to deposit for good profit? So basically, as much as possible. The example I was giving to someone today was, when you go to the bank, you don't ask, okay, what's the minimum I can deposit in my bank account? Nobody asks that. They're like, oh, it's my bank account. I'm going to put whatever money I can in there. The same way when it comes to trading, we want to put as much as possible in the account, because the more money we have, the more we can make. All right, so I just entered a 10 lot size trade on BTC. John is saying 1K in my bank. Yeah, John, get your account funded on Avado. All right, because every single day I'm going to come live here. I'm going to do these trades live. I have this yellow sticky M&M in my hand, which we already made $1,000 because I think I was pointing with it. Now let's see if it works again. How many shares did I buy? Sorry, I did 10 lot size trade. Let's go. I think, okay, Hazen is asking, the super trend is combined with AI and historical analysis. Yeah, so Hazen, actually, the way that the super trend works, guys, there we go. Another $1,000 take profit. Congratulations. We're already up $2,000 on the live today. What are you waiting for? I did these trades live. You can literally just come live, follow along, learn, ask questions, get started, make money, and you never have to pay. What is this? And guess what? Because we just hit take profit, all of you guys, I'm going to give all of you guys the profit from this trade. You can also take it. We have some people at the office here. All right, so this is what you're going to do. If you want free money, Randy said it's AKA Money Time. You guys know what it is. It's AKA Money Time. Let's go. And guess what? We just made 1,000. Actually, we made 2,000. I'm going to give one of those 1,000 away to you guys. How? All you got to do is go to my website right now. Link is in the bio. akapwc.com. Okay? akapwc.com. Just follow the steps. Then once you register, everybody knows, John knows, it's AK Money Time, G-Dog, it's AK Money Time. I hope someone's recording all of these comments. That's crazy. Mr. CPA knows it's AK Money Time, JM knows, AK. Guys, if you want the giveaway, if you guys want me to fund your account with the profit, put it in the comments, just say AKA Money Time right now. Amazing Place knows, AKA Money Time, let's go. How am I going to give you my trading profits? Go to my website, akpwc.com, register on Avado.com on their web trader, then just follow these steps. Are you guys ready? I'm going to fund all of your accounts after this. Go right here, click your email on the top right corner. Everybody knows it's AKA Money Time. Let's go. Now, you're going to click Deposit Funds. All right, click Deposit Funds, and then you're going to go to Crypto. Okay, click Crypto. And then you have to follow these steps exactly. Then click enter amount 10. And then right here, click proceed. Okay, click proceed. Then click continue funding. All right. Everybody knows Veronica, Sevda, Abhishek, Yum, Inspector Gadget, Jiggly, Yolanda, Johnny. Everybody knows Dale. It's AKA Money Time. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select USDT. So Tether on Ethereum, okay? You're going to select Tether on Ethereum, and then you're going to click Proceed to Payment, okay? When you click Proceed to Payment, right here, send me this screenshot, okay? Send me this screenshot to our school community. If you go to our school community right here, I'm right here, AKA PWC Official, which is in step 3, okay? So when you go to step 3 to watch setup videos, right here, I'm right there, akpwc.com, just send me a DM. Okay, just send me a DM there with the screenshot of this page, and right after this live, I'm gonna fund all your accounts with the trading profits. Okay, so before I go on, who do you know, who other than me, on this planet do you know who comes live, okay, holds an M&M up, it's always yellow for some reason, okay, does all my trades live. I show you guys exactly what I'm entering, where I'm setting my stop loss, where I'm setting my take profit. Then we make $1,000 to $5,000 a day every single day, and then also gives you guys the profit. Who else do you know that does this? And I never charge you guys anything. In fact, I give you guys money. That's pretty crazy, right? I think maybe I'm crazy. There might be something wrong with me. But I'm the only one that does this. So you guys know nobody else does this. So just join my lives every single day, guys. Make sure you give me a follow because every single day I'm going to show you guys how you can make extra income on a daily basis. Because look, if you can make an extra $20 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, $200 a day, $1,000 a week, like $5,000 to $10,000 a month, an extra, side income, why not? What are you waiting for? Because here's the thing, me and you are not in competition. We're not in competition. There's literally trillions of dollars, and this is not a joke, trillions of dollars that's being moved every single day, and all we need to do is extract from the market. I don't have any customers. I don't have any clients. I don't have any products that I sell. I have none of those things. But I still make what you make in a whole month. I make every single day. Every single day. And I show you how. And you don't have to pay me. So, let's go. Hazen is saying, how does the government let you glitch the system? Actually, this is how the banks and hedge funds move billions and billions of dollars and they make hundreds of millions of dollars a year in profit is just like this. Alright? Pal is saying, what was your last trade you made and is it documented? Pal, did you just join, Pal? Because I do all my trades live. So it's not even actually, they're all documented. You can go and watch all my live replays because I do all of this is recorded and I post it every single day. So every single day I come live here. We trade all the markets. We actually trade a lot of gold. We trade a lot of NASDAQ. We trade a lot of crypto. We trade a lot of, we trade a lot of these markets here because remember, a lot of people think when it comes to trading is just crypto. Or Forex, but it's not. Actually, every single market can be traded. You can trade cotton. You can trade coffee beans. You can trade copper. You can trade Tesla. You can trade British pound. You can trade NASDAQ. You can trade S&P. You can literally trade any market, okay? Because it's all the same. So guys, for anyone who wants to be part of the giveaway, just go to my website, aka pwc.com. It's literally my name. It's in the bio, aka pwc.com. And yes, I'm in the Toronto area. Actually, in fact, I have my office here in Toronto. Guys, if you're in the Toronto area, come visit us in person, okay? Come visit us in person. Here's my office address. And guess what? Again, I'm the only one that does this. Here's my phone number. You can call me at any time. You can even text me. You can call me. There's my phone number, and there's my office address. So our office is open here 7 days a week from 11 to 5 o'clock, okay? So don't waste time. I know none of you guys are actually working 7 days a week. We're open 7 days a week because I make around $1,000 to $5,000 every single day. And you can come visit us in person here 7 days a week from 11 to 5. Now, which trading platform, how do you get started? All of this, guys. Just go to my website. It's all there. It doesn't get any easier. And I guarantee you there's no payment portal. There's no place where you'll land and it's like, oh, to get this information, you gotta pay $200. None of that exists. It's straight. You click, you're in. You click, you're in. You click, you're in. So go click and be in and be part of our community. And guess what? I'm gonna be here every single day, answering every single one of your questions. All right. So Joelle, what's going on? Welcome to the live. So every single day I come live here. I do all my trades live. We just made $2,000 live here, and I do this, and I show you guys my entire trading history. So actually it runs right here. The range bars run all of the markets here. So you guys can see it runs on NASDAQ as well. It runs on gold. It runs on S&P. It runs on all the markets right here on Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, indices. It's right there. You guys get access to it completely for free. So Mayfair is asking a good question. What do you even get out of this? If you're making $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Now, what you guys need to realize is that the problem really is you're thinking too small. Okay, the problem is you're thinking way too small. If you think making $1,000 to $5,000 a day is a lot of money, that's actually only around $30,000 to $50,000 a month. That's not a lot of money. That's actually just nowadays like a basic basement costs like $1 million. So $30,000 to $50,000 a month is not a lot of money. The goal for me being here is I want to be able to scale as big as possible so that I can find someone who has $100 million, $500 million, so that I can scale up my trading business. And then I want to be regulated and licensed and registered so that I can actually accept money. Because right now I can't take anyone's money. I can't accept investors because I have to trade on my own money. This is why I can't scale. Because the only way the hedge funds actually get this big is because they raise hundreds of millions of dollars, which is what I would love to do. Okay, that's basically what I would love to do. So guys, I know, what's it called? Wallace saying, what trading platform? Guys, so I'm trading on Abado.com. Just go to my website. All the links are there. Just go to akapwc.com. akapwc.com. Oh, wow. All right. What time do you start daily live trading? Okay, so basically all you have to do is just turn on the live notification. So as soon as I go live, you'll get a notification. But it's usually around this time. And then I'm going to be going live later tonight as well, around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, which is in about 6 hours from now. Okay. Did you work as a trader? So actually, a lot of this technology that we got was through institutional trader connects that we had. Like we knew some people that were trading on the bank trading floors, and from them we got this technology which we developed on, and then now we just give it to you guys completely for free. So when I get some money, I'll make sure to fly there, meet you in person, and for sure you guys are welcome here anytime. Smart is saying, are you living in Mississauga? So our office is in Mississauga, guys. By the way, for all of you guys who want to come visit in person, here's our office address. It's open 7 days a week, so go. Pal is saying, so how's it going to work? I invest money into your company? No. So actually, all you do is right now, you go get your own account set up on Abado.com. So just go to my website, akpwc.com. And then just follow the steps, okay? Step 1 right here, register on Abado.com. And then you get your own account set up, you fund your own account, you trade on your own account. But I'm going to give you my profitable trading system and strategy completely for free, and I come live here and I do all my trades live as well. Why is the price different from the real price? Can you explain? Okay, so here's the thing. It's called arbitrage, okay? Because every single trading platform, according to their order books, will have a slightly different price. Okay, so it might be $50, like Bitcoin might be like $58 more or less here or there. But when the price moves, it always moves the same. Okay, so let's say the price goes up by 100 points. It will go up by 100 points on both or all trading platforms. So there's always a difference in price. That's just how the order books are made, but that's how it works. All right, let's see if there's any trade right here. All right, so hopefully that answers your question. All right. Nikhil's saying NQ now. All right, let's go and see what's going on with NASDAQ here. All right, so we're having a big uptrend right here on NASDAQ. So let's see if we can enter this sell trade right here on NASDAQ. All right, so it's already started to move down here. So let me see if we get a little bit of a push back up, I'll enter a sell trade here. Okay, let's see if we get a little bit of a higher push up on NASDAQ, USA 100. All right, there we go. We're getting a push back up. All right, so I just entered my sell trade right here on NASDAQ. Now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit right here at about $1,000. All right, so on this trade, we basically just hit our stop loss. Let's see. Let me just zoom in here. Okay, so there's my stop loss, and let me set my take profit right here. Is there a minimum amount you must have to fund the account? How easy is it to withdraw? All right, so actually there's no minimum or maximum at all. what I would say is I would start my account with as much as possible and then risk as little as possible. So whatever that is, 10K, 50K, 100K, 5 million, 10 million. I know everyone's sitting on a few $100,000 in crypto at least, or just in their bank account. What I would do is I would just fund my account and then start trading and making income on a regular basis, because this is how I make around $1,000 to $5,000 a day. And I show you exactly how I do it. We're already up I'm actually up $3,000 for just today. $3,000. And all of these trades were done live. I showed you guys exactly when I'm clicking buy, where I'm setting my stop loss, where I'm setting my take profit, all of that. Why sell trade? Okay, Sevda and Siren are both asking why sell trade on NASDAQ, because the super trend is green. It's because if you see right here on the NASDAQ range bars, we actually got our trade alert. So you see how we're getting this red circle there? That means that we're actually having a reversal upcoming. So as soon as I see that, and then, as soon as I see that, I take the sell trade when the range bars are reversing. So that's our second confirmation. And let's just see how this trade goes. So we're at about $700, $800 in profit on this trade that we just took. And you guys saw me enter right there. John is saying, Wahad is saying, will BTC drop more? And guys, there we go. Congratulations. Wait, where's the M&M? Congratulations. We just hit another take profit. That's $4,000. That's your monthly income right now on this live that we made that you didn't have to pay for. You can just join me live every single day while I do this. What are you actually waiting for? I'm going to give that $1,000 away to you guys, okay? I'm going to give, not again, just the same 1,000. That would be 2,000. But it's not 2,000. It's just the 1,000. I'm going to give it to you guys. All right? So you guys can see our trading history. There we go, guys. Congratulations. Look at these trades that we just did on this live. These are the 3 trades we did on the live, guys. 1,000, 1,200, 800 in total. $3,000 on this live that we just did. Congratulations. So let's go. Step 1, how to get started. By the way, everything here is free. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Go to my website, akapwc.com, and just follow the steps. Go get your account set up on Abado, all right? Hazen, I got you. Go get your account set up on Abado, and then you're going to follow these steps. Go right here, click deposit on the top right, all right? Click your email on the top right corner, and then you're going to click deposit funds, okay? Click deposit funds. Then it's going to give you either bank transfer or crypto. Click crypto. Okay, click crypto, and then it says enter amount. So enter 10. Okay, enter 10. You have to follow this because there's over 100 people watching. So if all 100 of you do this, all 100 of you can get the $10. Okay, that's how it's going to be $1,000. Okay, so you're going to do 10. Siren is saying, I signed up about 2 or 3 weeks ago. All has been free. No charge for anything at all. Wahab is saying you didn't answer my question. Oh, is BTC going to go up or down? I don't know. All I know is that when we get the reversal using the range bars, which I show you, by doing that, I enter my trade. I set my stop loss and take profit at 100 points above and below. And then I basically make profit like that. Because remember, Bitcoin going up is the same thing as Bitcoin going down. Actually, Bitcoin going up is the same thing as Tesla going down, is the same thing as British Pound going up, is the same thing as the Euro going down, is the same thing as NASDAQ going up, is the same thing. It's all the same because it doesn't matter. We can make money whether the markets go up or the markets go down. So actually, it doesn't matter which market it is, and it doesn't matter whether the market's going up or down. What's the website again? Guys, go to akapwc.com and follow the steps. akapwc.com. List the confirmations before you make an entry. Joel, I got you. All right. So, by the way, let me just show everyone how they're gonna get how I'm gonna give them the trading profits that we just made. So you enter 10, click proceed, click continue funding, and then right here, when you get to this deposit page, choose currency, and then just select Tether USDT. Okay, USDT Tether on Ethereum network. So click there, click proceed to payment, and then this, you're going to send me a screenshot of this on school, which is in step 3 right here, when you click watch setup videos, right here, I'm right there in the main community. Okay, I'm right there in the main community, aka PWC official. You're just gonna send me a DM there with that screenshot, and right after this live, I'm gonna fund all your accounts. So congratulations. All right, what are the confirmations? Okay, for sure, Joel. So let's go through the confirmations. So I'm gonna go in the next 60 seconds. I'm gonna go through the entire trading strategy. Okay. In the next 60 seconds, you're going to know exactly how I made over $4,000 USD today in front of you live without any products, without any customers, without any clients. How I did it, okay? How I took that money from the market. So, right here, what happens is, if the super trend, let's just, 1 second, it's just loading. It would have been good if you showed us if you showed us what you buy and your whole risk management. Yeah, so I show you guys that exactly step by step. I don't know why this laptop is tripping out. Hold on, let me try to open it again. Okay, there we go. So, what was I going to show you guys? Oh yeah, what are the confirmations? Okay, so you see, if the super trend right here is green, then I'm only taking buy trades. If the super trend is green, I'm only taking buy trades. If the super trend is red, I'm only taking sell trades, okay? Because I don't want to go against the overall trend. Now that we know that, I'm going to wait for the reversal on the range bar. So when the range bars go from red to green, so you see how it's going red to green? Right there, and if the super trend is also green, I do a buy trade. Those are the two confirmations I do. So range bars, reversal, and super trend confirmation. Then I risk less than 1%. Then when I enter my trade, either buy or sell, I set my stop loss and take profit always at 100 points. So it's always 100 points above, 100 points below. Okay? And when I do that, then I don't touch the trade. I just let the trade ride out. Because guess what? Using this strategy, we get an accuracy of around 60 to 65%, which means with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, we're profitable. And let me show you something that nobody else will ever show you, okay? AIM, you got it. It's around 60 to 65%. Are you guys ready? Look, again, nobody will show you this, okay? Nobody even shows you this M&M. I'm the only one that's going to show you this. So, right here, in the past 3 months, this is my entire track record. This is my entire trading history. By the way, all of these trades were done live in front of you, so you could have been watching and following along and learning, which is crazy. I'm still surprised people don't do that. So, right here, 3 months, let's go all the way down. You can see winning trades, losing trades, winning trades, losing trades, okay? It's normal, but obviously, we're winning more trades than we're losing because check this out. Are you guys ready? In the past, we just cleared. In the past 3 months, I've made a profit of $120,000 in the past 3 months USD, which is we're making around $30,000 to $50,000 a month on average. And there you go. I'm the only one that will ever show you this on a live account in USD on a regulated and licensed trading platform. Now, here's the thing. You guys might be like, wait, 3 months is too short. Anybody can show you Okay, fine. Let me show you the entire trading history. So right here, let's go to 3 months. We'll click all, okay? We'll click all. And again, nobody will ever show you this. Anytime you ask for trading history, they're going to start to hide. They're going to start to, no, don't worry about that, bro. They're going to, all of that nonsense. But guess what? Right here, I'm going to show you my entire trading history for this account. So let's go all the way down. And let's go all the way to the left side. And let's see right here. Okay, so, Team Mirza, I actually can't put the M&M away. It's stuck to my fingers. Okay, it's stuck. All right, so right here, you can see we started this account January 3rd, 2024. Look, January 3rd, 2024, we started this account with 200,000, okay? With 200,000, we started this account about a year and a half ago. Now, check this out. we've made a profit of $516,715.50 in the past year and a half. Over $500,000, over $516,000 we've made profit. And guess what? All of these trades were done live. You could have been watching. You could have been following along. You could have been learning. You could have been making money. But instead, you were scrolling TikTok doing something else when you should have just been following this account. You should have been following AKA, because in the past year, this is a year and a half, this is how much I made. And you could have just been also doing this. All right? Wahab is saying, we're not seeing where you entered which price so we can learn from it. Wahab, I do the trades live. And Sumaya, I do the trades live every single day. So when I'm doing it, I walk you guys through exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing it live. So there's no point of going back and saying, oh, why, so we can, analyze that trade. There's no reason for analysis, because you should just be continuing to watch, because I'll keep doing the trades live. Radoslav is saying another scam. Okay, so here's the nice thing. You should never pay anyone to learn how to trade. Not even me. You should never pay me at all, ever. Okay, never send me any money. So I can't scam you, because I'm literally telling you to not pay anyone, okay? And not even me. Okay, so when do you do a live? So just turn on live notifications and join my lives every single day. Now, Radoslav, the second thing, the trading platform I'm using is a licensed and regulated trading platform. So I always tell everyone, always be safe and use a licensed and regulated and, like a proper trading platform. This is why we're using GoToAbato, because they're licensed, they're regulated in multiple countries, they've been around for many, many years. So I'm trading on a live account on a licensed and regulated trading platform. I don't charge you anything. So, you should actually just come here and learn completely for free. And Wahab, the saying point is we're not learning, so we can do. You are learning. You actually just need to listen to what I'm saying. If the super trend is green, then we're only entering buy trades. If the super trend is red, then we're only entering sell trades. And then when do we actually enter? When we get the range bar reversal. We're only entering at the range bar reversal. How did we just make $1,000 on NASDAQ? Because right here, you can see we got the trade alert on the range bars, which obviously is free for you guys to go and get access to. Then when the range bars went from green to red, and we got this confirmation, I entered a sell trade. So red dot, red range bar, sell trade. Then risk less than 1%. And then set stop loss, take profit at 100 points above and below. Yes, I am saying, is the live video saved? Guys, the live videos, all of them are saved. You guys can go watch a whole history of my lives. But it's obviously better to just watch me doing it live every day instead of watching the old ones. But I'm going to post this one just after this live. I'm going to post this one as well. What's the win rate? Sunny Bunny is saying, what's your win rate? 99%? No, there's no such thing. There's no such thing as 100%. There's no such thing as 90%. There's not even anything such as 80%. It doesn't exist. It's not real. It's like a unicorn. It doesn't exist. We get around a 60 to 65% win rate. You mean 100 pips or 100 points? Yeah, so basically, for example, 100 pips or 100 points on Bitcoin is $100 in its price. On gold, it's $1 in its price, because on gold, 1 point is 1 cent in its price. So it's $1 above, $1 below. What time do you start your live exactly every day? So yeah, just turn on the live notifications. So it's usually about an hour before this time, wherever you guys are in the world. And then I go live in about 6 hours from now as well. And we'll be doing more trades. In 6 hours from now, we'll be doing more trades. So make sure you guys go get setting up. You go get set up, get started. Don't waste time. Now, where are the videos saved? So they're on my TikTok profile. Why 10 million is the goal, then 250 million after that? Yeah, so Joel, it's actually, my goal is to be able to scale up into the billions of dollars, where I can manage billions and billions of dollars, just like any other hedge fund. So that's basically what my goal is. Do you wait for a pullback before entering the trade after the reversal? Yeah, okay, that's actually a great point. So if the market's already started to move down on a sell trade, for example, that's exactly what happened on Nasdaq. It already moved down. So I was like, I don't want to really chase the trade, so I'll wait. And I just waited a few seconds, and the market came back up, and we were able to. That's okay. Yeah, thanks. It came up, and then we were able to enter the sell trade and be able to take profit on that trade. What's the platform, guys? So I'm trading on Abato.com. Just go to my website, akpwc.com, and just follow the steps. These are the exact steps I'm giving you that I use to I just made $4,000 USD in front of your eyes, literally in front of your face, in front of your eyes, and you didn't even have to pay. So don't waste time, all right? Is there a way to verify Abato safety and license? Yes, so it's all on their website. So actually, if you go to Abato.com. So Godoo is like the main, the parent company. Abato is like their web trading platform. So if you go right here to where it says our regulations, okay, so all of their licenses are right there on Abato. Okay, so you can see they're registered in Dubai, and they're registered in Mauritius. So they're registered in a few different countries, so it's regulated, licensed. We've been using them for the past two years. Let's see, how much capital do I need to start with? So there's actually no minimum or maximum. We always say you should start with as much as possible. All right, guys, so that was a really good live. We just made $4,000 in front of your face, and I'm going to be going live in about 6 hours from now. So go get your Abato account set up, get it funded, get it verified, get access to our range bar system. Everything is available on akapwc.com, and go get started right away. We're going to call it a day here. Thank you guys all for joining, and we'll see you guys in a few hours. And this M&M might still be stuck to my fingers at the time. It's super gross right now. It's like melting. All right, guys. Have a good one. Take care. And we'll see you guys in a few hours. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, Cam, for sure. I got you. Hazen, have a good one. Hopefully you guys made some money. We made a few $1,000s today. What's the valency? What's the currency? Oh, okay. Benolu. What's the currency? So basically, you can deposit in any currency. Muslim is saying you're not a good trader. You just gamble with that strategy. No, so actually, this strategy we've tested over 50 years of data. There's no gambling involved at all because it's a very exact, very systematic trading strategy. And the only reason why it works over time is because we've tested thousands and thousands of strategies. And this is the only thing that we found that actually works in the markets. And if you're saying it's gambling, well, I've been using it for the past 8 years. You can't be lucky for 8 years in a row. Okay. So this is why I do this every single day, and I give you guys my entire trading system and my entire trading strategy. So let's get started. For sure, Mark, I got this amazing. Do you do stocks? So sometimes I'll do some stocks. The only problem with stocks is it's a little bit slower. You know, 100-point move on stocks is a little bit slower. I like to trade a little more fast-paced. Yo, Pueblo, I got you. Where do you send the screenshot? So, Raisin. You send a screenshot on school. You just send me a DM right here, AKPWC official. Naili is saying after joining, you share signals every day. So I do my trades live every day, and I walk you through exactly how it works. You don't have to pay. You just need to start making money. That's the only thing. M is saying, appreciate your help and support. We'll be waiting for the next live. M, you know I got you. Partner was saying, God of Finance just followed me. Lots of scammers in the room. Guys, let me give you guys the biggest disclaimer, okay? Never send your money to anyone. Don't think that someone's going to trade for you. I will never trade for you. Unless you have hundreds of millions of dollars, then that's a different story. I'm never going to trade for you. I will never ask you guys for money. You should never send your money to anyone. The only place your money should be going is into your own trading account. That's it. Your own trading account on a licensed and regulated trading platform. Never pay for anyone's course. Never pay for anyone's bot. Never pay for anyone's subscription. Because all of those things are scams. Oh my God. It's a blue one. I'm going to eat this one. Well, saying I made $5,630 in 2 weeks with $11,500. That's really good. Wow, good job. Muslim saying you just say you buy and put stop loss take profit both at 100 pips. That's not a strategy. How is that not a strategy? Actually, we're entering based on the trend reversals, and we do 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. If you try anything else, guaranteed you will lose money. This is the only thing that works over time. Because here's the thing, let me tell you the math on it. At 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, as long as we have over a 50% accuracy, even if it's 50.1% accuracy, that's a profitable trading strategy. Yo, hey Malik, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, Wahab, that happens if you don't have stop loss. Dangerous. Jensen's saying, where and how do we get BNB? So, usually what I do is, I'm going to use like Crypto.com or Coinbase or whatever. I actually even use ShakePay or Binance. It just depends on where you are in the world. Then I would just buy crypto and then transfer it over to a bot. Where are you trading from? I'm at my office here in Toronto. Guys, there's my phone number. You can text me or call me at any time. And you can come visit us in person here. Alright guys, so we just made $4,000. And I'm going to call it a live here. I was just trying to see. You guys had some good questions. And once money is in the trading account, how does it grow? Just by you trading. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. In about 6 hours, go get your bot accounts funded, verified, set up, and then we'll be back. Yeah, Mr. November, I'll be back later tonight. In about 6 hours, we'll be going live. Nord is saying, I like watching you live. Thanks. I appreciate you, Nord. When starting out, when is a good time to begin cashing out? That's a really good question. So usually what I do is, I let the account grow because this account, we took it from 200,000 to about 500,000, and then I pulled out just 80,000 because that's all I needed for my expenses. And then I let the account grow. Mr. November, I got you. OG. Jasmine saying, what time are you back? I'll be back in about 6 hours from now. Somebody's saying, how much capital for $4,000 profit? For sure. So you can see right here, my account has about 640,000. Hi, can we talk on the phone about this? Yeah, Jess, for sure. Call me. My number is there. Can I use a laptop to set up an account? George, for sure. Actually, I would always say use a trade on a laptop. It's so much better. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a night. Have a few things to do, but you guys should go get your account set up, get it funded, get it verified. I'll be back in about 6 hours from now. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for all the likes, the comments, the gifts, the questions. You guys are amazing. Excuse me. Wow, you guys got us over 10K likes. That's great. You guys are crazy. When can I call you? You can call me right after this live. Let me just close it up, and you guys can call me. You guys can start calling me or send me a DM. And plus, I'm going to start sending all of you guys, you know how we just made over $4,000 right now. I'm going to give 1,000 of that away to you guys as long as you guys followed the steps that I said. So you guys, I'm about to fund your accounts, whoever followed the steps. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care. We'll see you.